Hello friends, I hope you all are okay. And first of all, I welcome you to my channel. And today in this video lecture, I am going to discuss about constructivism in international relations, which is one of the most important theories in international relations. So let's have a look on the lecture overview. In this particular lecture, I am going to discuss about the core thinkers of constructivism and its evaluation and also its major principles. If we want to know who are the prominent or important thinkers or theorists of constructivism, then we will find that Alexander Wayne, Nicholas Onap, Peter Kaczynsztyn, and Frederick Kratochvil are the prominent. Constructivism in international relations, often regarded as a new theory, but it is not a new theory. A group of Western thinkers like Alexander Wayne, Nicholas Onap, Peter Kaczynsztyn, Frederick Kratochvil presented this theory in a new light. But this, the root of this theory can be traced back to the writings of Italian philosopher Giambattista Vico, who argued that social and world history were shaped by human beings. Till the mid 1990s, the main debate in international relations was between neoliberals and neorealists, where neoliberals were of the opinion and mainly focused on peace and interdependence. On the other hand, neorealists, who mainly put their emphasis on conflict among states and also security of the states. But in the later period, with the emergence of constructivism, the picture got changed because these constructivists mainly focus on ideas, whereas neoliberals and neorealists gave their mass importance to material or physical aspects. Now let's move to the principles or features of constructivism. So, in it we will see that early constructivists believed that our history and social world were created by human ideas and conceptions. And the contemporary theorists revived this argument after the Cold War, and they also hold the view that society, the world, and human relations are not just natural or physical. They are also shaped by human thoughts, ideas, and beliefs. So, constructivists prefer an ideational view of international relations, and also they talk about that the matter not precedes the ideas, but ideas precedes the matter. So, as per the constructivist theorist, international relation is a social construction. Here, Nicholas Onaf argues that constructivism is not a theory but a way of studying social relations. Another most important thing you must have to remember that they are not like the realist thinker, because realist thinker talks about power. They say that power is the only thing that can control the behavior of other state. But the constructivists are not concerned only about power. They believe that identities, interest and meanings also control the behavior of the actor's fate, and they are also concerned with norms and rules. Though constructivism has played a major role in the international relations, but they are not free from criticism. Say for example, constructivism are intersubjective. They do not believe in the material concept, which is of the prime importance in the international relation. Let's take an example. The group of NATO came into existence not because of the ideas. it has its prime importance in the security community. So, constructivist ignores the prime importance of security in their thought. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.